Hey everyone, welcome to Neil's World, and this is a quick video where I will show you how to convert your video files from one format to another using your very popular VLC Media Player. To do this, what I'll do is go to the VLC Media Player and go to the File tab, where you will find this menu option called Convert or Stream. So click on that, where you will find this window where you can open media and go to browse and select your file. What I will do is I'll go to my Explorer and get the file that I require to convert and drop it on this window. So this is a file which is a MOV file, a QuickTime file. So I will convert it into some other format. So let me drop this onto this window. Now this file is there where I can choose profile. So there are different profiles which you can convert to. So there are different profiles already made, and if you want to convert to any of these different formats, you can select your desired format and convert to that particular format. Or if you want a custom format, what you can do is you can go to this custom button and then click on customize, where you can select individual encapsulation or the container formats or individual video codec, audio codec, etc. You can also add your subtitle file or subtitle details over how to show the subtitle in the file in this subtitle menu. So I will not go into the details. You can tinker around if you wish using these different values or these different settings. So I will simply select one of the profiles. I'll go to this MP4 profile. This is one of the most popular video format profile, and then save as file. Here you need to choose a location where to save the file. I'll go click the browse and select. You can, from this drop down menu, you can select your location. So I have already selected one location, and you give a file name. Let me give it as converted and hit the save button, and then once again you hit the save button here. Now it will be converted. You see this is progress bar. Now it is done. I'll go to my browser window. Here it is the converted file. So I have converted from MOV file, that's a QuickTime file, into M4V or MP4 file which is one of the most popular formats. So I will again try to open this file, see whether it works. Yes, it is working. So the file has been converted into MP4 and it is working. I think it will be helpful for you. If you have not tried this feature of VLC, you can try to convert your files to different formats.